Today, we're taking flight with a drone that blends pro-level imaging, safety, and pure flying freedom, all in a body that weighs less than your smartphone. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and it just might be the ultimate ultralight drone. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro slips effortlessly into your pocket. And the best part? No drone license required in most countries. Thanks to C0 class certification, beginners and pros alike can fly legally in A1 and A3 categories with zero paperwork and zero hassle. Now let's talk camera power. The Mini 4 Pro shoots breathtaking 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. Morning sunrises, glowing sunsets, night scenes, every shot bursts with clarity and color. And with true vertical shooting, your videos are instantly ready for social media. No cropping, no editing, no compromises. Safety gets a massive upgrade too. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, the Mini 4 Pro sees in every direction, detects danger, and helps you avoid collisions before they happen. Whether you're flying low through trees or tracking fast-moving subjects, this drone has your back. Battery life? DJI delivers once again. Enjoy smooth, uninterrupted flights with up to 34 minutes of airtime, letting you capture more, explore more, and worry less about landing early. But what truly unlocks long-distance adventure is DJI's next-generation transmission. With a stunning 20-kilometer FHD video feed, you get crisp, real-time aerial visuals with virtually zero lag. Perfect for exploring vast landscapes, coastlines, and mountain ranges like never before. And for creators, ActiveTrack 360 redefines what automated tracking can do. With simple on-screen controls, you can program dynamic paths and fluid movements, even if you're a beginner. The Mini 4 Pro handles the complex flight motions so you can fully focus on capturing cinematic results. Lightweight, powerful, intelligent, safe. The DJI Mini 4 Pro marks a new milestone in compact aerial filmmaking, all while staying accessible to everyday flyers. If you're looking for a drone that delivers professional performance without the weight, the paperwork, or the limits, the Mini 4 Pro is the drone to beat.